Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's Nasdaq review, I want to give a huge shout out to Jackson, who secured not one, but 5 funded accounts on Friday. And congratulations to Kevin78, who got funded in a day using only the Moneymaker setup with Tick Trader. Your achievements are truly inspired. Now, let's get into our daily trade review and see how we can all move closer to financial freedom using only the Moneymaker setup. In today's video, we're going to break down Nasdaq trades from last Friday, August the 1st, using our trusted Moneymaker setup. So whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, this review will give you valuable insights into how to scalp effectively and achieve consistent profits. Make sure to stick around till the end, as I'll be sharing some key takeaways and tips that you can apply in your own trading. Alright, so by just looking at the news, we knew that we had some red folder unemployment claims at 8:30 and ISM manufacturing PMI at 10. So we know now that we have to avoid trading at this minute. Okay. On the other hand, just by looking at the M1, we can see that we are making lower lows and lower highs. So the market is clearly bearish. Now today I will start trading at the open of the day, because I know I have some crazy addicts that start trading when market is open. So we opened somewhere here, and as you can see, we are now in a bearish zone. Okay, so market opened, not yet, here. So market opened here and we were at the 50%. So first minute could have shorted here when price was here. Okay, you can argue that this is also a zone that have already a first step. So let's play price. So if you took the small zone, it's a win. Or we took the big zone. Let's play price. And that's our first win. Okay, let's keep playing price. Okay. Okay, so we wicked under this low, higher time frame low. See what happens. Maybe a change of order flow. Yep. We closed above this last internal protected high. So since we are already winning, I will take this bullish trade. Okay. From the 50%, see what's happened. And second win. Okay. Let's go. So since I just won and we created another bullish zone here. Okay. Let me clean this up for you guys first. So this for me was an unmitigated A plus with accumulation, Moneymaker. So I will take this bearish 1-to-1. Here, just to bring price back to my first entry. So that was another win. Okay, so 3 wins, 0 losses. And to be honest, 3 wins, 0 losses, you're done for the day. Just do something else, just enjoy life. Okay, let's see what happens. So since we are bearish, okay, and here was the 50% of this huge zone, I will be very careful with longs. Okay, so we have here, this is our bearish zone, and this is our origin of the move. Okay, so in seconds time frame, I think 5 seconds or something like that, we'll find our perfect glitch setup. Okay, so here is the origin. Okay, price left it, did the breaker setup. So this is the turtle soup we're talking about. Some guys are asking me about what is a turtle soup. So turtle soup is nothing but liquidity that price will take to give a move. Okay, so this was the unmitigated origin. Turtle soup taking those stops. Okay, and the one-to-one, sorry, the one-to-one is given here, right? 2 times, as I always tell you guys about the glitch. So now 4 wins, 0 losses. Let's keep playing price. I can see this bullish zone, although it will be a bad idea to take it. Why? Because we are maybe ranging between this, and this is at the 50%. But since we are already up, let's see what it happens. Okay, so price just left without tapping the 50%. So at this time, I'm not taking this trade. Why? Because we are maybe bearish, and we have a A++ money maker zone, bearish one, that we left unmitigated. Okay, so I won't take this trade anymore. Let's play. Okay, so we didn't mitigate this 50%, but we created this daily range. So we took this buy side liquidity and this sell side liquidity. So for me, this is a bearish zone. Let's place our limits. So we will mitigate the 50% and another win. 5 losses or 5 wins, 0 losses. Let's keep playing the price. Okay, shall we? So we're ranging between this and this. I'm not taking any trades till we're off. So price finally decide to break the range and fall. Okay, so we took this higher time frame low, and also maybe this hourly time frame low. So we're maybe accumulating now or changing order flow. We have to be extra cautious. Okay, so let's wait for a creation of a zone or something. Accumulating, and we created this bullish zone that will maybe take us mitigate something higher. Okay, it has also an accumulation just above it. Let's see. So we took this low sell side liquidity and we took this buy side liquidity. So this is a dealing range, high probability. So I'm taking also a 1-to-1 here. Let's see. We're in and another win. Okay. 6 win, 0 losses. Looking good so far, huh? Okay, let's keep playing price. Just waiting now for this zone to get tagged. If they want. Or creation of a new bullish zone. But this looks juicy. Not gonna lie. This is the trades I love. So, here, we're in. Gave you another chance after this CSS to get in. They don't do it quite often. But that's our 7th win for the day. Now, let's keep playing the price. Now, since this was a bullish dealing range, and now we have a bearish dealing range. Why? Because we took this buy side liquidity and this sell side liquidity. So, for me, we have this bearish dealing range. Okay? Maybe it's a fake flip, but it's a bearish dealing range. I won't take it, but I will be aware about it. Let's see what happens. Price respect it and take this low. We are bearish. Here you go. So we are bearish. We still have to close under here, to be honest. Let's see. Okay, so now intentions are clear. Okay. Now this is my bearish zone. Okay. Sorry. And this is my glitch zone. When there is a glitch, a visible one, I just take the glitch. If I miss it, I miss it. Okay. So I'm tagged in to the tick and instant profit. 8 wins. If you took the whole zone, it's a win. All right. So that's a win. Let's keep playing price. Okay. So this was our last bearish zone. Okay. Price tagged the 50%. We need to give a win. And it's another win. Okay. 9 wins. See how simple and crazy it is. All right. So another zone. Okay. And what's beautiful about this zone that it has the glitch. Okay. What do? We wait for our glitch. Let's play price. And instant 1 candle win. The glitch is also crazy. 10 wins. Let's go. Now, since we took this higher time frame low, we may be expecting a change of order flow. That's why I only trusted the glitch here and not this whole zone. Okay? since the glitch is high probability, when we take the low, I only take the glitch, nothing else, okay? But I can see that we created a bullish zone that also have seconds time frame glitch, okay? Let's play. So if you took this 1-to-1, they gave the profit, right? Let's keep playing price. Okay. So we didn't tag the 50%, but we have this bearish dealing range. Okay. So that's a bearish dealing range. We took this sell side and this buy side. That's a bearish zone for me. We're maybe taking this liquidity, mitigating something here, and fall. I'm taking it. So exactly what happened. And come on. And another win. 11 wins. Again, guys, imagine you're risking $100 or just $50. Imagine the money it gave. Okay? Let's keep playing price. So I'm tagged in my trade here. And it's another win, right? No. We have this bearish zone. We unfortunately still didn't get tagged. And our glitch trade. Will it give a win? Another win, right? I don't remember if we have like 12 or 13 wins now, but I think it's 13. So we created, by following structure, we created this zone, right? Bearish zone. We take in the 1-to-1 again. Oops, that's our first loss. Totally evitable if you respect the rules. Why? Because our rules say when we have an unmitigated zone above another one, we trust the higher one, right? But let's say just take a bot. So we're short and the 1-to-1 is given. Cool. 14 wins, 1 loss. I also see that glitch setup here, right? Unmitigated zone at the highs, mitigation block ideas. So that's a glitch, okay? All right. So play price fast, but this is a bullish zone, okay? And it gave the 1-to-1 already. So that's 15 wins by just taking all the zones you can see, right? So that's actually a glitch zone because the zone is this and the origin is this one. So that's a glitch. That's why I took it. Let's keep playing price. So we created this bullish zone and we're in, and the 1-to-1 is given again. 16 wins, 1 loss. I think that's why Dutch Jackson and Kevin passed their challenges, because Friday's price action was crazy good. Okay, let's keep playing price. So we were still bullish because we didn't take this protected low. Still bullish. We have those internal glitch zones, right? So the glitch give the 1-to-1, but I'm not taking it, to be honest, because why? We are so close to the news release. Okay, so price left this range, okay? Right. So by following structure, this was our last protected high. Okay. So we took a higher time frame low. We expect an accumulation or change of order flow. Let's wait for it. Right. So we have this bullish zone now created. Okay. Let's take a trade when price takes the 50%. We're in. Are we in? Yeah, we are in to the tick. So we're in, and the 1-to-1 is given. 17 wins for the day. Crazy, right? Let's keep playing price. And for sure, we're taking the short when price mitigates the bigger zone 50%. Okay. Okay, so this was bullish dealing range, but since we tapped the 50% here to the tick, they decided to just take us. Okay, so that's second loss, right? But we know that when trading accumulation going back to the 50%, price can do whatever it wants. So that's on us, right? And we know that the second sweep usually gives the Dave the Rave pattern. So they usually will take the second swing low or high. Okay. So we're tagged in our shorts, and the 1-to-1 is actually given. Cool. 18 wins. I was speaking at that time with Fluxus, and she took this trade on micro Nasdaq, and they decided to just wick this high and take her out, while on Nasdaq we were Gucci. So you guys need to know that micro Nasdaq like to wick a lot. Why? Because they know that the small traders are trading in it, so they just like to take their stops and move. Okay, so we had this last bullish zone, which gave the 1-to-1. Okay, so this was a 19th win. Okay, see how it's crazy. Now let's wait for price to decide what's happening. Okay, so we took this higher time frame low, week low, created now by design this last bearish zone. Last protected high is here. Let's see what happens now that we took the low. What do we expect? As always, the change of order flow. So I can say that this candle, they created it just to create a bullish zone again. Just like this one. Okay? Same thing over and over and over and over. Right. So our bullish zone. Love to see it. We're in. We have a glitch zone here. So they went back to it, took this breaker liquidity, and gave the 1-to-1. Cool, very cool. 20th win of the day. Is this not crazy? Alright, so this is our bullish zone. Okay? But remember that this is where we took us. This is where they took us before. Am I crazy enough to take it? Yes, I will take it. Because I don't care. I have 20 wins, you know? But if I was not up big time, I wouldn't take it. Why? Because they just took it here. So, surprise. They wicked and CSS. Do you know? They would just fly. Crazy, right? I also saw this bearish zone, okay, here, which gave the 1-to-1, right? This 1-to-1, but I'm not counting it, okay? Right, so my limits are here now at this 50%, or I like this glitch setup, okay? Let's keep playing price. If they make it to the 50%, I will short. If they don't, I will keep playing microstructure, okay? So now, for me, I see this bullish zone because we didn't mitigate the 50% yet, so we're likely using this zone to get up there. See what happens. Okay, so they gave the 1-to-1 maybe for this bearish internal structure zone. Nope. So we're waiting for our 50%. Come on, come on, we're in, and come on. And that's our win. 21 win, 0 losses. Okay? So, again, I see this beautiful A++ with accumulation. Right? So, I'm so short in this at the 50%. This one. This is the zone. We accumulate, this place, accumulate again, and tag the 50%. I'm so taking it. Another win. Let's go. 22 wins, 2 losses. Okay? So, we are already close to 3 p.m. So at this time, I don't think they will. So they gave lots of 1-to-1s that I just missed now, but yeah, I'm not trading at this time of the day. Okay? This is also a 1-to-1, but yeah, I'm not trading because I trade with Topstep and they don't like us to trade this late in the day. Right? So let's keep playing price, see if they go back up. Right? Oh yeah, they will just keep ranging in here. Okay? Alright, no problem. I just forgot about that loss we took So we just ended up the day at 22 wins, 3 losses, which is 19R. Which is really crazy if you ask me, you know, it's not doable. Why? Because you will never have enough emotional strength to take all those trades and sit and wait for them to take your TP. Although it's very doable with the money maker, but I still think we humans can't handle this much stress. But this video is really to show you how the money maker is crazy good, you know. Did I take 22 trades last Friday? To be honest, no. I just took 2 high probability glitches in seconds time frame here and went and watched the Olympic Games for the day. So that's it for today's Nasdaq Daily Trade review. I hope you found this analysis helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more trading insights and reviews. Also, don't forget to join the free Discord community and connect with other traders and share your experiences. Thanks for watching, traders, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.